Hey guys, so today I'm going to unbox a brand new case for my Vivo Y85. So without further ado, let's get started. On here it shows Vivo V9 model, because some model for the V9 and Vivo Y85 is like mine, flat on the back side, and some model is edge on the side. My one is Vivo Y85 1726 model, so that's why it's flat. So here's the case, same pattern as previous model that I upload on the video. 6 ringgit, same price, black color. Let's try out. So here's the case, beautiful pattern. Nice hole cutting, flat on the inside. I haven't tried it yet, so I hope it fit. Let's see. Oh wow, it fits. Because previously I have bought a different case but same model, Vivo V9, but it won't fit because on the inside is little bit edge or known as curve, so it won't fit for my Y85. But this one, it does fit. Finally, I got a new case for my Vivo Y85 1726. So let me show you the model on the setting. As you can see, 1726. Beautiful. At least now it has a screen protector and the back case to protect the phone. Very easy to press fingerprint, good camera protection, buttons are easy to press. Finally, so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this unbox a brand new case for my Vivo Y85 in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much and see you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.